My name's Jenny Holland. I've been painting a long time now. I'm 78 now, and I started when I was 14, spending my money earned during school holidays. And I bought oil paint and brushes and a palette knife, and really I haven't stopped since then. An art teacher at school who was an artist and encouraged me to paint in oils. I mean, not that that would ever be an opportunity given to children, I don't think, these days. So I was very lucky and encouraged greatly at the time. And I was using oils even at the age of 15 in art clubs. I was lucky enough to sell one at a young age as well, which was a great motivator to me. As you walk into this beautiful gallery here at Ynys Môn, you'll find that all of these paintings, with very few exceptions, are actually of Anglesey and the Llŷn Peninsula. I love painting the coast. I love old harbours, historic communities, and the colours of fishing boats. I live in North Wales and I come out at every opportunity. There are 140 paintings. Glance around this huge area here at my work and recognise that I've probably been influenced a lot by Van Gogh. But I've learned a lot by studying his work, and I've got bookshelves of his work. The French Impressionists generally, I love all of them, all the Impressionists, men and women. They've all had a big influence on my work over the years. Williams, of course, and this gallery is named after Cuffin Williams. He's a palette knife painter, and although I do work in brush and I even paint with my fingers sometimes, I think he's got a very, very fluid stroke with a palette knife, just as I like to be able to emulate. Here's one I really enjoyed painting. It's Bull Bay on the north coast of Anglesey. And as you can see, I've used a little bit of artistic license here. I've really enjoyed painting this. It's very, very heavily textured. I use Sennelier paint, and there's a Sennelier product that mixes with oil paint that creates quite a strong impasto effect. And it's very, very, very rough here. So rough, in fact, that I even forgot to sign it, because I think I found it very, very difficult to find anywhere I could actually mark my signature. But it's a lovely, again, unspoilt Anglesey Bay. The experience of working at Oriel Môn has been an eye-opener to me. It's the biggest, certainly the biggest gallery I've ever exhibited in. It's so professionally done. I mean, there's a team of very dedicated professional people here. There's not a picture that's not hung without a spirit level and a measuring tape. I'm very impressed. It's clean, it's bright. The floor has been polished specially. Very professional. I think the team work here very, very well together, and I'm delighted to be part of it today.